In this video, we're now going to look at the next Excel function or an Excel tool which is known as grouping tabs. Where are grouping tabs helpful? These grouping tabs will help you perform the same action across multiple sheets all at once. Let's see how you can do the copy pasting using the traditional approach, and then I'll show you how grouping tabs can help you do your work more quickly. For example, we have this information about XYZ company wherein we have the list of employees who belong to the marketing department. We have their genders, monthly salary, annual salary, their taxes, their take home salary, and their percentage of total annual salary. Now, what we want is that these headers be copied across other departmental information as well. For example, let's say I have to fill in information for I want to rename this sheet wherein I'm going to have the information about finance department. Similarly, I'm going to have a department of, let's say, IT professionals. So I want basically the same headers across all the sheets, right? We have the finance as well as IT professionals. Traditionally, what you would be doing is we need to copy these headers, Control C, and go to this sheet finance and Control V. We paste it across. Again, if you want it in the IT professionals as well, you need to press on Control V. So this is how you will have to copy paste whatever information you want from one sheet to the other sheets, right? We are using the same data in other sheets as well. Now we can avoid this mechanical work if you use the group tabs option. Before we do that, let's just undo this. I'll just delete whatever we have copy pasted, and let's now see how we can use the grouping tabs option. For that, what you need to do is copy the headers, Control C, and multi-select all the other sheets. For example, I want to copy it in finance and IT professionals. So using the control key on your keyboard, press the control key and select the sheet you want to paste it. So as of now, we have selected two sheets, finance and IT professionals. If you see, they are now highlighted differently. We have a green line below it. Also, you can see at the top, we have this thing that has come up which says group. This says that these are grouped worksheets, okay, and whatever operation you do in one of them will be copied in the other as well. So what we'll do now is just right click and paste. As soon as you click on Control V or paste, you will find that the same information is now available under IT professionals as well, and it is under finance as well. Okay, so you are saving a lot of time by doing the same operations across sheets. So I just did it in finance and it got copied in the IT professional as well. This happened because we have grouped them together. In case if you were to format them, for example, I want to increase this. Okay, now this is the way I want to format it. Let's say I also give a different color to it. Let's see if it happens in the IT professional sheet. Yes, it happened in the IT professional sheet as well. So even if you want to copy paste the formatting, if you want the same formatting across sheets, you can do that. In case if you want to ungroup these sheets, what you need to do is you need to right click on them and click on ungroup sheets. Another way to ungroup them is if you click on any other sheet apart from the grouped sheets. For example, I click on this another sheet, the grouping has now gone off. You will see that the group has gone away. Okay, so this is one way how you can group sheets and ungroup sheets. Let's add one more with operations, and let's have the same headers to them as well. Okay, fine. So we now have these 4 sheets. And another way to kind of reflect a change in a single worksheet that goes across multiple worksheets can also be done through the menu bar. which can be looked at the home button. Over here, there is an fill option. Okay, so this fill option can be used to make certain changes that can get reflected across worksheets. Okay, so if I go to fill and click on across worksheets, what do you want to fill across worksheets? All content. If you want to copy only the content, if you want to copy only the formats. So whatever operation you want to do, you can multi-select the sheets using the control key on your keyboard, and you can use this option fill, wherein you can work across worksheets. Okay, let's say now I want to add a column over here. Now all these are grouped together. You can see a green line below them, and also you can read here, it says group. If I want to add a column here at the end which says employee grade, let's see if this gets added across all worksheets. As of now, we are into marketing sheet. If you click on finance, yes, it has come as well for IT professionals and operations also. So if you were to add any column or add any data, that also gets updated all through all the sheets. So there's no problem of any data that is getting left out. In case if we were to delete something, for example, if I delete the taxes, so right click and delete, I will now see that the delete has happened for all the other worksheets as well, because they are now grouped together. So when you want to do the same task across worksheets, it is very useful. This function called as grouping tabs can save a lot of your time. Okay. So this was about grouping tabs. In the next video, we learn about the subtotal tool.